It's super interesting. It's once in a lifetime experience. I've never had the opportunity to talk to so many people from so many different places. Everybody has a unique perspective to bring, and yeah, I just love it. The knowledge that I'm learning here, I feel it will really benefit me in figuring out what I want a career in eventually once I finish my bachelor's degree. And I haven't had an opportunity to do research like this at my university.
I find it really cool. I'm seeing so many different instruments here that they use, and I'm kind of more shocked because I see more math symbols on blackboards, but yeah, I'm really enjoying it, and I'm seeing a whole bunch of new possibilities for me to do in the future.